Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Notion templates in 2025. Templates save our time by giving us ready-made layouts for tasks, notes, projects, and more. So Notion has the built-in templates option. So we will be exploring it in this video. First of all, you need to come here on notion.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already, or if you don't have an account on Notion, you need to simply sign up with your email address to set up your free account. So once you have done that, by default, you will be here on the home page of your Notion account where you will see this welcome page or getting started option. Over here in the left hand section, you will see the option of marketplace. So you need to click on marketplace. Here you can see we have the discover tab. In the discover tab, you will see a bunch of different options like mood board, schedule, weekly planner, test preparation, etc. So over here, you can just simply scroll down and take a look at all of these templates that are available here. Like we have weekly to-do list, habit tracker, GitHub habit tracker, and bunch of other things. You can also use these templates that are given over here. So once you click on these tabs, let's say if you selected the work tab, you can also further select the categories like marketing, venture, etc. In life, you can select hobbies, website building, etc. For school, you can select teaching, student life, etc. So basically it is going to show you the templates as per the genre that you have selected. So here, let's say in life, I want to select hobbies. So after selecting it, as you can see in hobbies, you will have further categories like entertainment, dating, relationships. So you need to click on any of the templates in which you are interested. Over here, you will find some of the free templates, but some of the templates might be paid. As you can see, this particular template is not free. You need to pay around $3, and then you can add this particular template in your Notion board. Then you can start using it. It will show you which template is free. So let's say this particular template is free. So in order to add it in your Notion board, simply click on the option of add. Then it is going to show you that the template is being added. Now you can hover over to the left hand section, click on the template that you have added just now, and now you can basically start using it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.